Do stay on with us, Tapa Shreya. Let me go across to Shomit, who's joining us from Hyderabad. As we were discussing, people from the medical fraternity have been standing in support of the rape victim, and also they've been holding protests, making demands. What are their specific demands, Shomit?
Well, Meghna, it's very unfortunate that medical fraternity who actually treats the patients, and also with the hands which treats and which actually heals, and blood on those hands is very unfortunate. And this is not the first case. In Delhi, gang rape case has happened. In Hyderabad, Disha rape case has happened. She was brutally raped, brutalized, and later burnt alive. So we can clearly see here hundreds of doctors have gathered here from across the Hyderabad city, from Osmania, Gandhi, and several other places, and they are protesting here since last 3 days. And the incident happened on Friday, and since the Saturday they are staging protest and demanding victim. And several doctors, they were vocal about this incident. They were saying that action should be initiated and justice should be served to the justice should be served to the victim's family, and at the same time secure environment should be provided. So a few doctors are here. What are your demands? What are your demands? And when we are hearing that tomorrow you are going to take it up in a massive big way where you will be protesting at the Dharna Chowk.
We are actually demanding for first of all, we just want the justice for the victim. First demand is justice for the victim's family. And then second is we want the Central Protection Act to be implemented immediately, so that it covers up all the security related aspects, compensation related to victims, compensation related to the doctors and doctors' safety. Everything is included under the Central Protection Act. We want this from the nation part. We want this from the central government. Along with it, we demand a Special Protection Force, SPF, which we were demanding.
So basically Special Protection Force and justice should be served to the family is what doctors here are demanding.